Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making sure power and permissions are ready. Plug the watch in if needed, turn on phone Bluetooth, and open Ztfit. Once done, sign in or create your account. Make sure Ztfit has location and notification permissions so scanning works. Tap Add Device and select Smartwatch from the list. You'll see a scanning screen. Keep the watch nearby. Listen for prompts on both devices and confirm any pairing codes, exactly as shown to start the secure link. Now you handle the more detailed steps. Confirm the numeric code on both the watch and phone to verify identity. After confirmation, allow Ztfit to sync required data. Grant health, contacts, and calendar access if you want notifications and fitness logs. If the app prompts to update firmware or upload a device profile, accept and keep both devices within 1 to 2 meters. Interruptions can corrupt the update. The app will show progress bars. Do not close Ztfit until the process finishes, otherwise repeat the update. To complete, verify notifications, incoming call alerts, and step counts are updating in Ztfit. Tap a few items to confirm. Make sure the app has background or auto-start permissions so the link stays active. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting step. Restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and clear Ztfit cache before attempting repair. If repairing, remove the device from phone Bluetooth and Ztfit device list. Then repeat the add device flow. That usually resolves persistent connection errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.